So we have a 2020 Nissan Sentra. Complaint of a humming noise when you drive down the road, a road noise, almost like a bad wheel bearing or like really big tires on a four-wheel drive truck, kind of the hum roar noise they make from when they're going down the road. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this real well or not, but this tire on the right rear is worn very choppy. You can kind of see if you look right back in here. As I turn the wheel, you can see how it's wavy there by the shock. It's that way all the way around the tire, and it kind of goes diagonal across the tire. So there's a hump and a valley and another hump on this side. I'll turn the wheel slowly here, and yeah, like if you look back there at the shock, you can see all the waves all the way around the tire. That is what's causing the roaring noise in this car. Customer took it, he's a local guy here from my shop. He's maybe a mile down the road, but he took it to another shop, probably 30 miles from here, to get their diagnosis of what's going on. Paid him $40 for it. They told him it was the right front wheel bearing. So he came to us, said, I want a right front wheel bearing put in it. We put the wheel bearing in it, drove it, it still had the same noise. So we got to looking around to see what's going on, and you know, kind of why did you want us to put a wheel bearing in it? What's the issue? And this is what we found. So it's kind of a shame for both of us. You know, we did some work that we didn't need to do. Customer paid for some work that he didn't really need done. Paid the other shop money to give him the wrong diagnosis. So not poking anybody in the chest, just kind of saying, you know, well, I don't know what I'm trying to say in a nice way, but
don't worry about it.
that was my Apple Watch here. But just saying, you know, sometimes the simple answer is the right one. I guess we could be in the wrong. We should have interrogated the customer a little bit more. You know, why do you want the wheel bearing changed? Why do you think it's bad? All that kind of stuff, you know, so I'll take the responsibility on that part of it, but that's that. We got a new tire coming for it, put it on in the morning, and I'm pretty sure his problem's going to be solved. Thanks, have a good night.